vlog Piteria, so I gave myself fake short hair for my Halloween costume and I decided it looked kind of cool and just wore it this way today. So I have to kind of hurry and film this because I have to go pick a friend up from the high school and then we're going to a thing and he's waiting on me and I feel like a jerk for filming ahead of time, but if I don't, I'm not going to get this edited, so here we go. I would like to talk to you about anonymity on the internet. So I'm working for my mom right now at her office and I had a fight with Google Plus on her behalf this morning. In the course of this, I noticed that Google Plus has really strict restrictions on display names, and I read about their name policy, and essentially the company requires that you use your real full name. And of course there are like workarounds to this. It's not like they require a scan of your birth certificate or anything, but they have formatting restrictions that make it harder for you to use pseudonyms, and basically it's their official policy that you should be using your real name on their website. And that by itself is not especially problematic because, you know, like Facebook has the same restrictions. They're websites that are explicitly designed to be used in conjunction with your real life personality. Neither of them exist to create new communities, just to sort of extend the reach of existing ones. But when you make a Blogger account, you have to make a Google Plus account. When you make a YouTube account, you have to make a Google Plus account. When you make a Gmail account, you have to make a Google Plus account. Google is essentially forcing its users' hands on the topic of anonymity. If you want to use its email platform or its blogging site or its video sharing website, you have to have your real name on the internet. And again, there are workarounds, but instead of making it a simple choice for the users, you have to fight to remain anonymous on Google's platforms now. So the whole concept of online anonymity as a whole is kind of controversial. Like, there are people online who are anonymous because they want to bully people or harass them or stalk them or send, you know, vitriolic, sexist or racist messages. They are, you know, being essentially terrible people and using anonymity as an excuse to do it. And it seems wise to unmask them when possible. But I think it's a mistake to assume that's the only conceivable reason someone would want to be anonymous. I think there's a vast array of other more complex reasons, and if you can't think of any, then you aren't thinking hard enough. Many fanfiction authors, for example, maintain pseudonyms online to avoid backlash for the things that they write in their offline lives, because fanfiction itself and lots of times its content is heavily stigmatized and is not acceptable in the wider world. And I think most people on this channel, many people on YouTube, agree that fan works are cool things, and probably plenty of you read fanfiction. I know I do. So we don't think that it's wrong. We benefit from it. We understand that people have the right to do that if they choose. But there are people who need to do that anonymously. If you're an elementary school teacher who writes X-rated BDSM/fic on the weekends, that doesn't impede your ability to be a teacher, but it could get you fired. I think the option of anonymity is important because there are things that are not wrong that are also not accepted. And although there is danger in allowing anonymity on the internet, there's also a lot of value to it. I think overall it creates a more open and free environment, and overall it's a positive thing and something that should be protected. That's why I don't agree with the direction Google is taking. I read a bunch of articles about Google Plus that sort of informed this discussion. I'm not saying I agree or disagree with any of them, but I didn't know very much about Google Plus before this point, so I'll link the articles that I read today in the description. I have to go now because I'm in a hurry, but I will see you all next Wednesday. Goodbye.